video, you are going to see how you can ease your work of generating test data if you already have a schema or a project. Hello friends, I am Juhi and today I am going to show you how you can import or export an existing component of your project. Suppose you have a schema which is in JSON or XSD format. You can import it from your local file system into your project. Similarly, if you have an existing project and you want to reuse that project, you can import any component of that project or the complete project. So let me show you now how you can do it with HCL OneTest data. I assume you have your credentials to log into HCL OneTest server. We first need to log into the application. Once you log into your application, select your project and click Data Fabrications. This will take you to OneTest data dashboard. Now to import your schema which is there in your local file system, click on Schemas tab. Click XSD JSON button. Browse to the location where your file exists. Click OK. This will import the JSON XSD schema from your local into your project. Once your schema is imported into your project, you can see it listed under the Schemas tab. So you can find it here as address. Click on it to see the structure. Here you can see address is the schema which we have imported, and this is the structure already being created and you have imported it into your project. Now I will show you how you can export an existing project into your local. For this, click Export Current Workspace. You can see a successful message. This has exported your project completely. You get it in zip format. Here is the project which you have exported. You can even select certain components of a project to export. For this, click Selective Export of Current Workspace. Here you can select either schemas, files or connections. You can see the list of schemas you have in this project. Similarly under files and under connections. Suppose here I select S1 as my schema to be exported and file boolean.csv. Click OK. Here the project which has been exported will contain only the components which you have selected to be exported into your local file system. Now I will show you how you can import a project into your another project. So now I am there in demo project import. This is my project name. I want to import a project named demo project which I have shown you earlier. For this, click Import into Workspace. Select the project where you have downloaded it. For me, it is here. Click Import. This will import the whole project, or if you have selected only certain components, that will get imported into your project. Click on your project to verify. Click Data Fabrication to go to HCL OneTest data. Now here you can see the demo project which we have imported into demo project import. Schemas have been imported. We had the same schema S1 and address in demo project. The same has been imported into this project. So here we end up with understanding of import and export functionality of a component or the complete project. Thank you.